Good afternoon everyone, it's Anna from Kingsbridge Performance and 4x4 bringing you some brilliant new stock this week. Starting off with our massive spec Range Rover Velar. This is the D300 HSE R Dynamic. It is absolutely stunning. Bags and bags of spec on this one and finished in the most sought after colour Carpathian Grey, which is personally my favourite colour you can get on a Range Rover. It also has the benefit of having a beautiful two-tone ivory and black interior. Again, quite hard to find on these. And of course it has these fantastic diamond cut 22-inch alloys, the R Dynamic styling pack. It's in really lovely condition. One private owner. It was previously a demo car. That's why it's such a good spec at Land Rover. So it was pre-owned by Land Rover and then just one private owner who we purchased it from. But you can tell the car has been really, really well looked after. It's not actually been through any prep at all in terms of alloys or anything like that. It's not needed anything. The bodywork on it is fantastic. It's done 25,000 miles. The D300 engine, definitely the best engine to get on these. Just gives you a lot more power than the D200 or the D240. It's still very economical. Paintwork on it is lovely, very minimal stone chips or anything like that. It's in really, really nice condition. It's got these lovely rose gold accents on the bonnet and the sides as well. You can see that I've got the pan roof open, which is a lovely feature on these. It does also have adaptable air suspension, which is fantastic. You can lift and lower the car. It also just makes the ride a lot more smooth and comfortable on country roads. Electric memory seats with lumbar support. You've got Meridian upgraded sound system on there. Heated steering wheel. There's your pan roof and these lovely ivory and black seats. Premium carpet mats as well. Just jump in. Electric adjustable steering column. You've got reverse cam, parking sensors, all your usual Apple CarPlay and stuff. Sorry, my camera's going a bit funny. Heated seats are actually massage seats as well, which is something, once you have it, you don't want to live without it. Cup holders, 2 keys. There's your electric sunroof with electric sliding blind. The car is in absolutely fantastic condition. It's been really well looked after, as you can tell. Storage under here with charging ports, all your usual sat-nav, Bluetooth connectivity. Here, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all your usual bits you'd expect, and then you can change your suspension, raise and lower the car here. Got all your different driving modes, eco, off-roading, etc. If people ever use these for off-roading, I don't know, but full digital display, again, something that's quite important, I think. So a lot of them have the analog displays. Plenty of space in the back. Those seats fold flat as well. The boot space on these is actually fantastic. You've got a full-size spare tyre in there, parcel shelf. Everything's where it should be. Electric boot. It's just a really lovely, smart-looking, well-specced Velar. In lovely condition. We do have excellent rates of PCP and HP available on this car, so if you would like a finance quote or any more information at all, do get in touch. You can head over to our website, click the WhatsApp button, or email us at info@kingsbridgeautos.co.uk. One of our sales team will be more than happy to help.